Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Plug the OTG adapter into the broken phone and connect a USB mouse so you can control the screen without touch. Next, attach the HDMI or casting dongle to the TV or monitor and power it. Make sure the phone's Wi-Fi is on. The casting device and phone must share the same network for wireless mirroring. Once the mouse lets you navigate, unlock the phone, because many mirroring methods require unlocking or enabling cast from settings. With the phone unlocked via the mouse, go to Settings and locate Cast, Screen Mirroring, Smart View, or Wireless Display. This varies by OS. Use the mouse to toggle the feature on, then watch the list of available receivers and choose your TV or dongle. If nothing appears, pull down Quick Settings and try the cast tile. Some phones expose it there for faster access. For HDMI, the output often switches automatically, but make sure the phone shows external display options and set resolution if prompted. Once the image appears on the TV, verify audio and resolution and adjust volume or display scaling so the content is clear. If the screen stays black or lags, disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or power cycle, the casting dongle, and the phone. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. If the mouse stops responding, replug the OTG or try another mouse. Use a remote access app only after the screen is visible to configure persistent control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.